Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will cover if else statement in PHP. In previous video we have covered if statement in PHP. We also learned how if statement works in PHP and why it is used. So whenever we test a condition, then we will get result as true or false. We also have seen in if statement that whenever we get true as a result, then if body will be executed, then it will go to the end of the code. But whenever we get the result as false, it will directly go to the end of the code. Here in if else statement, we are actually providing the direction or line of codes or statements to the program that if you get the value or result as false, then you have to execute these lines. After executing these lines, you have to go to the end of the code. So let's see practically how if else statement works in PHP. First of all, we have to declare a variable named username, assign value def semicolon. Now we have to check the condition. So use if username equals to def, then if it gets the value true or if the condition is true, then you have to run these statements: echo welcome to channel, or when a condition gets result as false, then else echo username is invalid. Save the file, go to the browser, refresh. So we know that when we are testing a condition that username is username equals to def, yes, it is equal to def, then it will go inside if body, and when it goes to inside if body, it gets the statement echo welcome to channel, and then it will go to the end of the code. Now let's check if the username is not equal to def. Let's provide username as TV. Save the file, go to the browser, refresh it. So as you can see that now when a condition gets the value false, then it will go to the else part of the program, and inside else the statements are given will be executed. Then after executing these lines, it will go to the end of the code. I hope you have understood the if else statement. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my upcoming videos notification easily.